go get my next gift. Oh God, my booty. Sorry. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Today's a special day. It's my birthday, and I'll be opening my presents on camera. Oh my God! Happy birthday, Malika. Anyways, you know so mad. Yeah, guys, I just want to say big up Malika Skylife in the building. Another year pandemic and big things. I'm so excited and so happy and so proud to be living to see another year. You know, Skylife. So the first thing I'm gonna open is this gift. I kind of know, think me know what this. I did want some of them here. You know, you want to get some of this? Come sit on the side of me now.
I'm greet you and go on.
Wait. Somebody's gonna present her gift to me. Please don't even know. Yes.
No.
Feel it sitting. What kind of chessboard? Me a nerd.
Makeup set.
Stephanie, you know say I'm not makeup set. I don't think so. I think oh lovely. Picture frame. Yes. Let me try your pizza. I need a picture frame them for real. Put on my wall. I have a white wall in my room that I really need to put some things on. Okay, yeah, it was. Hey.
Maybe the answer again.
Jesus, I think I had tear up one of the tear up. Oh my word. Oh my God! Hey.
This sweet though. Classic fashion.
Oh, it's so cute. It says classic fashion.
Just tell them.
More funky. Let's see what the next one. Same thing. It's the same thing. I got two classic fashion picture frames. I like them. I put them on wall. You want my next one gift? Alright, let me open this one. This one is from my very, very, very home girl. Thank you, baby. I appreciate it. One more, girl.
What's she?
I know what it's like. I have no idea what it's like. Girl, you're trick me, you know. Wee! When you call a new bullet, don't play with me, you know. I don't think so. Oh my God! I cannot believe! No! Hey girl, don't run with me. Lord Jesus, why did I give them a trouble? Oh my God, my eyes are full of water. I feel like a movie, you know. No, sir. You know that movie feeling they get one gift for you to know what? Oh my God. Oh my God.
Sure, people
I'm so excited. I don't know, me a dream baby and things. Oh my God. That's why she messaged me early this morning. Malika, what you gonna tell me if I like a gift? I said, bro, you don't want me yet. I just wake up. I love you, baby girl. I love you. I love you. I love you. I really, really appreciate it so much.
We all know what this is.
I think this is gonna be my favorite so far. It's my favorite so far. So this, I really wanted this. I know already. It's
That's a open up a gift. I must see two now.
what? You know?
Yeah.
Why?
What's the gift?
Help me, Stephanie. Help me. I don't know if it. I don't know how they wrap this on me. I don't have no theory. No, sir. Guys,
I'm not tear down, come I have to pick them up.
Stephanie, I think the camera is something too high. Let me adjust it. Come on, nigga.
I make a spin around.
Oh my God, it's gold! The accent color in my room is gold. Guys. If I don't want it in my room, I take no picture. I know it's for I know. It broke. You're lucky. You're bad. gym. You can't pop up with us now. So you wrap this up in your okay, see. You know, when I go to a party and something drop out of the sky to clean up. Right now, I feel like I'm going to feel after this. I'm going to clean them up. Oh my God. I really appreciate this gift. I've been posting it from when on my...
Erika.
Wow.
We need a sticker. Run the phone. That's what I'm going to go for one. If I go for one, I'm going to come back.
What away from me?
Erika.
This gives you hard pull. Oh my God. I think we can put it on the door, the back part, instead of the wall. You understand?
The back door.
The door yourself. The back part of the door. You understand what I mean?
Listen, ask me no stories.
What?
You don't say nothing technical. Yeah, idiot.
My mistake will cut you.
Ouch.
You're lucky. Come over somewhere.
Erika, I'm tired, you know.
I don't know why they wrap this and give us so. So when we tap out, we can just pull off it. I know we manage that. So guys,
So around my butt, nothing pull out.
yeah, but I'm not take off yet, so I'm gonna put it on the wall. This something. I got a full body mirror. I'm so excited with gold accents. I'm saying you just see heart. Then looking at the ceiling, you have gold accent hearts. Match my mirror. Anyways, put this over there for me, baby girl. You don't want to see ground. Jesus.
Well, you said this in my shop.
Why?
Drop
No,
on.
no, I'm gonna put it on the door. I'm gonna get something to put it on the door. You understand me? Anyways, come give me a gift properly.
Malika, I know not much.
I don't care.
I'm not working.
I appreciate it. Don't feel like that, baby girl.
Anyways, good morning, vlog world. Yeah, don't know it's funky. Me there do a little video this morning, but
You were doing a video, baby girl.
never did that work. So we know about that. Anyways, today is Malika's birthday, as we all know, and you know, yeah, I just want to present this gift and all. So, good morning. Me know that she love me badly. So me not bother with this something.
No, but I would like that. Wrap it up.
I just want to wish you all Malika no bother with me. No bother with me.
When you're laughing, Carly.
Anyways, I just want to wish you a happy birthday, and just so you know, say, yeah, me love you, I appreciate you, all of these things, yeah, you're the best, and just keep up. Yeah,
My sister, oh my God. Thank you, baby.
yeah, no, not much, so.
Somebody stop saying that.
Alika,
Oh my God, I got a bum ass glass.
and yeah, just to think of it, I bought these things because, yeah, I want to wear it as well.
Yes,
So I bought these, yeah. So, yeah, vlog world, wish her a happy birthday in the disc. You know what?
In the building?
No, comment section. Don't I back?
Oh, in the comment section.
Yeah,
Leave a comment
section.
below. Wishing
Yeah.
me a happy birthday, my niggas.
Yes,
Ooh,
guys, and see the trash, guys.
Mr. My bags. I've cleaned
So
that up.
yeah, that's it for now. You guys will see the additional present I have.
You have
So-
additional presents for me?
Yeah, but not today. So keep posted, guys. Yes,
I got some
Peace.
bath and body stuff.
yeah, coming out no lotion to me by that.
Stephanie, stop doing this to me now. Very unscrupulous. Anyways, this smells really nice. I like this, not gonna affect my sinus.
More wrap up now, cause you know say you don't want me get up.
No,
So yes, so she got presents, guys.
Guys, thank you for stopping by my channel. So all the persons that gave me a gift, I really, really appreciate it and love it so much. To know that people around me really love and appreciate me so much. So thank you, guys. I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart, you know. I'm bathing, so thank you. I see you on the next video. Bye.